Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for your love and your support. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. Please like this video, leave your comment in the comment section below and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you so much. So today I want to be showing you two methods on how I make oatmeal fufu. If you are looking for a very healthy fufu for your soup, this one is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's start cooking. So we are going to be starting with the first method. Here I have 3 cups of oatmeal. So I'm going to be pouring it into a blender. I'll be adding some water. Then I will blend. Then after blending, this is how it should look like. Then I'm going to pour it into a pot. Then I will start stirring with a wooden spoon. Then I will add some water. I will cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to start turning it. Then I will wrap it in a plastic wrap. And for the second method, I'm going to be grinding it in a dried meal blender. Then I will start adding it bit by bit into boiled water. And I will continue stirring. Then I will add some water and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I will start turning it again. I will turn it until it's done. Then I will also wrap it in a plastic wrap. Yes, for the two methods, I prefer the first one, the one I grinded with water. I prefer that one more than the second one because the first one can last hours and it still remains very soft. But I noticed that whenever I make the second one, the powdered type, after some hours it becomes a little bit hard. That is the reason why I prefer the first one. Yes guys, just enjoy it with any soup of your choice. It is so healthy and it is also very delicious. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.